everybody and welcome back to our channel. If you guys are new here, then subscribe down below so you can become a part of the family.
Hey friends, today we're going to be talking about something that's pretty relevant and important in the current days that we're living in, right? And that is bath towels and hand towels that have been woven with antimicrobial silver, so that protects you against viruses and bacteria. And I'm talking about SOJI. It's the SOJI line of bath towels. Now, like a lot of other inventions and products that I review on this channel, they're normally created out of a need. People that see a need and they think, well, hang on, I think I have a solution for that, and they come up with a fantastic invention. And that is the same with the SOJI line. Two partners using towels, normal towels, realizing, hang on, this is filled with bacteria. And so, not wanting to endanger their health, they got antibacterial towels. But you know, those towels are very stiff and very uncomfortable. And so they thought, there is a better way, and they came up with SOJI, the SOJI line of towels.
The SOJI towels are made from 100% sustainable and organic bamboo fibers. The SOJI towels are really densely woven. They're actually twice as dense as your normal average towel.
Now, I know what some of you are thinking. How can bath towels have bacteria on them? Aren't they supposed to be clean? Did you know that normal regular towels have about 450 times more bacteria on them than your average toilet seat? Now, isn't that frightening? Now, let me ask you a question. Are you washing your towels daily? I highly doubt that you are. I mean, who could keep up with all that washing, right? If you're not, your towels are filled with bacteria. And that bacteria, it's finding its way onto your skin. And that bacteria you're putting on your kids, on your baby, on your face. Guys, there's got to be a better way. SOJI towels.
The bamboo and silver in these towels makes them hyperallergenic, which is perfect for people with sensitive skin or people who are sensitive to allergens.
Because of the woven silver, SOJI towels eliminate 99.9% of bacteria, viruses, mold, allergens, all those nasty things. It's gone. It's not going to be a problem and not something for you to worry about. Now, how is that possible, you might be asking yourself? Well, real silver eliminates 99.9% of microbial life and prevents it from replicating.
Guys, a super interesting fact is that silver supports skin health. It reduces wrinkles and age lines by promoting elasticity within your skin, and it also reduces inflammation, which is a common cause of acne, skin discoloration, and dermatitis.
And so the great thing with SOJI towels is that they're guaranteed to be sterilized with every use, and that's even without washing. Now, you know, sometimes towels can have like a slightly smelly smell, and that's because of bacteria and mold. You're not going to get that with the SOJI towels because they're antimicrobial, and so bacteria and mold do not exist on these towels. That means they are odor free.
SOJI softness makes it a multi-purpose towel. Its oversized shape is awesome to give you extra comfort. You can use it as a picnic blanket, as a blanket on your couch for your pets. You can use it on your bed. There are so many uses for your awesome SOJI towels. And what's even better is that it doesn't pick up any harmful bacteria.
Now, as a parent, you might be asking, well, is this safe? SOJI towels have that antimicrobial silver that is woven into and through the cotton. And so they are completely safe, and you know what? It's permanent. It's not going to fade or wash away with all your washing of your towels.
SOJI itself also dries 3 times faster than your average towel, thanks to its breathable twisted yarn weave. I love the fact that SOJI towels are so easy to wash. You can throw it in the wash and it'll dry super quickly. In fact, you can actually throw this at the wash at really high temperatures and you won't run the risk of it getting damaged. In fact, thanks to its awesome open air weave, the more you wash your SOJI towels, the softer and more comfortable they become. What I love about it is that it's bamboo, and bamboo is super sustainable. It uses much less water, chemicals, and land compared to cotton.
Now, what a fantastic invention, something that we all really need in these days, right? Guys, this is a Kickstarter. They need your support. We need to get this product out to the masses. So go check them out on Kickstarter. I'm going to leave links down below where you can go help support these guys, and let's get this product out there. Fantastic. Hey, while you're here, go check out this video. I think you'll really enjoy it.